Okay, lighting is pretty self-explanatory. Everything does well out here. You can see the light is just beautiful. Even on a cloudy day, they get all kinds of diffuse lighting. So you're pretty much set there. Another thing to keep in mind is that the bare soil is not a particularly conducive growing environment. So once these seeds are up, I'll use this fine, dusty mulch to protect the soil against the damaging effects of cold and light. And this way, the plants grow that much stronger. The last consideration that we have to take into account is fertility. Although the soil in these little cells is nice and rich, it's a tiny zone and they quickly outgrow. With a liquid fertilizer, either fish emulsion if you're organic or Miracle Grow if you're not, some type of dilute source of nitrogen just to boost them along. And you can see the rich green color that shows that these plants are reaching their nitrogen source and beginning to grow stronger. The stems are growing stronger, the roots are developing to the point where soon they will completely inhabit their little cell and the roots will fill up the plug, creating a lovely transplant to be put into the soil.